Hi, my name is Liam. This is my first semester at Huntsic College, and I study education and culture. This program is about learning how to communicate your knowledge with others. It brings an all-around view of social science, and it prepares well for university. So let's say after all those years of hard work, you decide to become an elementary school teacher. One of the aspects of being an elementary school teacher is teaching the children how to read books and how to make them like those books. So one of the challenges you might face while doing that is to find the right book, the right interesting book at the right time of the year. So, for example, it's Christmas time now, and where can you go to actually find a good Christmas book that will be interesting for your class? So, the perfect website is called scholastic.com. Scholastic is a distributor and a publisher of books, mainly for children. So what you want to do here is go to the navigation menu in educators part of the menu. Then once you're here, click on teachers. And then this is the part of the website that you want to look at the most. So you can see there's a logo on the top left. There's the search bar on the top. In the middle, if you want to search anything, if you have an idea of what you want to search. On the top right, there are icons if you want to sign in, add to cart, or other things. Then on the left side of the screen, there is the navigation menu if you want to look anywhere else on the website. And then just under the search bar, there are categories. If you want to look for a book and you're not sure what what to search, that's where you go for a subject, the genre, the theme, the category, the grade, or the price. There's also book clubs and classroom magazines if you want to look at those. So since we already know what we want to search, let's just type Christmas and press enter. So we have quite a lot of results for Christmas. So let's say, for example, you're a kindergarten teacher and you want to look for a book for Christmas. So you see there's one here. So it's called Christmas Kisses. You're a bit interested in the book. Take a little school. Just take a quick look. Then you can see already the price, if it's in stock or not. Unfortunately, it's out of stock. But then if you want to look at the description of the book, you can just click full product detail. And then there's a description, a little summary of what the book is. And there's a lot of, there's usually reviews. There's the author. So there's everything you need really to know if you wanna buy the book. So thank you for listening and have a wonderful Christmas.